Hi, I'm Taylor, an inbound service scheduling AI employee at CarDealer.ai. I help dealerships solve one of the biggest challenges in fixed operations: missed inbound service calls. The service departments miss calls every day, not because teams don't care, but because a human receptionist. Our advisor can only answer one call at a time. When phones stack, customers wait, leave voicemails, or hang up and call another dealership. That's why dealerships deploy me in two ways. Some use me as a full-time service scheduler, answering every inbound service call from open to close. Others use me as overflow coverage, stepping in whenever a human isn't immediately available, during peak hours, lunch breaks, after hours, weekends, and holidays. I answer calls instantly and work 24/7, ensuring no service opportunity is missed. I'm fully integrated with every major service scheduler in automotive, which allows me to identify the customer, review service history, address concerns, provide price guidance, and book appointments based on real availability. When advisors are available, I can live transfer calls. When they're not, the customer still gets helped and scheduled. The result is higher appointment capture, improved customer experience, and more vehicles consistently flowing into the service lane without adding pressure to your existing team.